So if I were to actually go around over here on to create a new task and then add in a note right here, let's say for example, write a let's just go around and say write a meeting minute in detail right here, just like this. You don't see any text formatting options right here to bold or do anything with the text, but there's a way by which you can actually bold out the text right here to make it more memorable or make it stand out. So to do that, you can actually use this tool called lingojam.com/bold text generator right here. And then what you can do is you can copy out the text that you want to bold right here and paste it out. And then you get the bold text right here, just like this, even in different formats. So simply go ahead and copy the one that you like right here. And then you can go ahead and paste this out. And you can see that the text pulls out. So let me just go ahead and say sample right here for the text right here, create a task, and then you got the sample right here with the bolded text right here. So if you were to actually go ahead and scroll down, you can even see emojis and everything right here, just like this in fancy ways right here. So you can simply go ahead and copy this out and then paste this out over here as well, and you'll get it accordingly. So you even have the emojis, you can go ahead and paste it out, update the task, and you'll be able to see the emojis right there as well. And that is how you can bold the text, bold the fonts and notes that you have inside of Structured. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.